Quick question. What actually happens when you buy a stock? If your honest answer is numbers go up, hopefully, you're not alone. Most people think the stock market is a casino with extra steps, and that belief is expensive. It keeps people out or turns them into gamblers. So let's fix it in 5 minutes with real numbers and terrible drawings. Meet Lena. She runs a lemonade stand, a suspiciously successful one. She wants to open 10 more stands, but she doesn't have the cash. So she slices her company into 1,000 equal pieces, like a pizza. Each piece is called a share. Buy one, and you're a part owner. That's not a metaphor. A tiny sliver of the lemonade empire is legally yours. You own a slice of the stands, the lemons, the recipe, and the profits. That is all a stock is, a piece of a real business. Buy Apple stock and you own a slice of every iPhone sold. Thin but real. So why does the price bounce around like a caffeinated squirrel? Because a share's price is just the last deal two strangers agreed on. The stock market is one giant non-stop auction. More buyers than sellers, the price gets bid up. More sellers than buyers, the price drops until someone bites. And what makes people want to buy? Future profits. A share is a claim on everything the company earns, forever. Some companies even mail you your cut in cash. That's called a dividend. The rest reinvest the profits to grow, so your slice gets more valuable instead. Either way, a stock's price is a bet on tomorrow's profits, not today's. Lena announces a stand in Paris. Bigger future profits, the price jumps. A lemon shortage hits, smaller future profits, the price drops. Short term, it's also pure mood. Fear, hype, headlines, some billionaires tweet. That's why daily prices are noisy. Feelings move fast, profits move slow. Time for real numbers. Let's price Lena's lemonade empire. Her company earns 50,000 in profit every year. There are 1,000 shares, so each share earns $50 a year. Suppose investors will pay 20 times a share's yearly earnings, the famous price to earnings ratio. 20 times 50 means one share costs $1,000. Now the Paris stand doubles profits to 100,000 a year. Each share now earns $100. At the same 20 times 2,000. The price didn't double because of luck. It doubled because the business did. That's the engine under every stock chart. Profits, not magic. Okay, but people lose money all the time. Isn't that gambling? Here's the difference. In a casino, the math is rigged against you. Every spin of roulette quickly keeps a slice of your money, by design. A casino is just math with carpets. The stock market runs on the opposite math. Businesses that creates value. Companies sell coffee, cars, and cat food, and the profit flows to owners like you. But that math only works if you zoom out. Zoom in on a single day, and the market is basically a coin flip. The S&P 500, America's 500 biggest companies bundled together, rises on only about 53% of days. Zoom out to 20 years stretch in its history, and it has never lost money. Not after 1929. Not after 2008. So far, never. One day is a coin flip. 20 years is owning the economy. Say you invest 500 a month into a fund that holds all 500 companies. That's called an index fund. One purchase, tiny slices of everything. Long term, the market has averaged roughly 8% a year. Not smoothly, some years minus 20, some years plus 30. A roller coaster that trends up. After 10 years, you've put in $60,000. It's grown to about 91,000. After 20 years, 120,000 in, about 294,000 out. After 30 years, 180,000 in, roughly 745,000 out. You didn't outsmart anyone. You just owned businesses and refused to leave. That extra half a million in your slice of 30 years of people buying stuff. But what about crashes? My uncle lost everything in 2008. Crashes are real. In 2008, the market dropped about 50%. Genuinely terrifying. But here's what the scary headlines skipped. It recovered. It always has, so far. The people who lost forever were the ones who sold at the bottom, or the ones who bet everything on one single company. One company can go to zero. That's a lottery ticket with a logo. All 500 going to zero at once? Then money is the least of your problems. So, the whole video in one sentence. A stock is a slice of a real business. Prices wiggle day to day on mood, but grow decade to decade on profits. Zoom in, it looks like a casino. Zoom out, it's owning human progress. None of this is financial advice, obviously. I draw stick figures for a living. Before we go, one quick favor. Is there something school never actually taught you? Something you've always nodded along to but never really understood? Put it in the comments and I'll draw it out for you badly. Because somehow, the worse the drawing, the better it sticks. Worst artist you'll ever learn from. Best teacher you've got. So, drop your topic below. See you in the next one.